Hi guys, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about designing, editing and social media. Thank you so much for your love and support. I am sorry for the delay. I was not able to upload videos because of some reasons. In this video, I am going to show you how you can record videos in Canva and share it with your audience. Right now this function is in beta stage. I think this is a quite useful feature that Canva launched. So without any further ado, let's see how you can record and share your videos in Canva. So first you need a Chrome browser to use this function, because right now this is available only on Chrome browser. So let's open canva.com on Chrome browser. Click on create a design, and suppose you want to create a presentation. Create or show a presentation to your audience. Click here. Select any template you want. I'm going to select this, apply, click on apply, 21 pages. All the 21 pages are applied here. Now click on these three dots here, and if you click on present option here, it will directly open the presentation mode like this. So I'm going to select here present and record button here, so you can record your presentation and send it to your audience later who were not able to attend your lecture or webinar. Now click on these three dots here, and if you click on this present option here, it will directly open the presentation mode. I am going to select this present and record button here, so you can record your presentation and send it to your audience later who are not able to attend your lecture or webinar. So click on this present and record button here and click on go to recording studio. If you are trying out this feature for the first time, then it will ask you to download the software. You have to download it and install it to use that feature. So click on this go to recording studio. So this will enable your camera and microphone here. So if you want to record, so check your camera is working and your microphone is also working. So click on this start recording button. After that you have 3 seconds to start recording. Your recording is start now. You can go through all these slides here like this. Click here. At any time you can pause the presentation. Click here and your presentation will pause and you can resume it again. And if you want to end this recording, click on this end recording button here, and it will end your recording and save it. After clicking on end recording, it will upload your recording. Now you can copy and share this link with your audience, or you can download it as an MP4 in your computer. So let's copy this link and open this in incognito mode. So this is how it will look. Click on play button. Your recording is start. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please write in the comment section and make sure you give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss out any other video about tips, tricks or tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.